Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Business with Coach Apache, where we optimize your business one automation at a time. So, today's video, you already know what it is, and I know thousands of you guys have been waiting for this video. I'm really sorry that it has taken me so long, and my procrastination has taken this long to for me to overcome. So I'm really sorry for the delay, but here we go. Let's start this video. I'll first execute this particular node, execute this workflow, and we'll go one by one through each node and that what each node is doing here. So here, what I've asked this AI agent node is to give a post topic and did you know fact about marketing and then image prompt. And this whole workflow I have covered in my last video of how to create a brand creative for your brand automatically through N10. So, and then, so for a detailed description or a detailed workflow, you can watch that particular video. So what we have done here is going forward, and we have taken a base image, and in the further workflow, I'll explain how you can edit these things as well automatically. And then what we have done is we have used Flux Image Creator to create a base image or background image for that particular uh, template that we have used. And here what we have done is we have blurred the background a little bit by 5 points. You can see the scale by yourself. We have combined the output from AI agent and from this particular these two branches, and then we have used the edit image node to add text to this particular workflow. And I see that yes, yeah. So what we have done here is we have added the base background image to our template, and then we have in the end we have added the text to this particular template. We have added this background, we have blurred this background, we have added this text, we have added these content from our AI node, and we have stored this file on a Google Drive. And then what I have done is this is the brand creative part. Like if you want to create any kind of post or carousel post or any kind of image or brand creative for your brand, you can do that automatically or in an automated way for your any kind of scenarios. I've explained everything in the previous video. You can watch that particular video. So now what we will do here is we'll take another image or another audio. We'll take another image and an audio. This is the audio, all right. And we'll then take another image as well, which we want to merge with our previous brand creative that we have created. All right, and then what we are going to do is this is the most all right. First of all, before going to that, this store file node is will only be available to the guys who have self-hosted N10. So I know 90% of you might have self-hosted once or maybe using N10 self-hosted only. So here the store file node you can get it through community node. And if you want another video how to install community nodes in N10, I can create that video. But I don't think it would be necessary. Most of you guys would be already knowing it. And another thing is execute command node. So execute command node is already there in N10 for self-hosted guys. But what I have done here is I have installed you can say I have installed FFmpeg in the N10 container. I'll open the GitHub, and you can go through my GitHub. Yeah, so here I have explained everything about this, how to install FFmpeg in your N10 container. So if you want to have in N10 in a Docker container, if you want to have another video explaining how to do this, I can create that. And I've also attached the this workflow in this particular GitHub page, so you can visit in and download this particular workflow from there. All right, so we'll move on. After downloading FFmpeg, FFmpeg is a project wherein you can edit a particular video or edit any kind of media file through FFmpeg, different commands for which I use ChatGPT. I simply ask ChatGPT that I have this image, I have this video, I have this audio, and I want to do this, which you can do through AI agent node. So right now I'm using ChatGPT, but in a complex scenario where you don't want to every time tell this execute command or this FFmpeg command to manually change this particular command, and you can use an AI agent node which can generate these FFmpeg command according to your previous um, notes or output from previous notes of the workflow. So this is really powerful. This is really powerful tool that we have right now. So what I have done next is I have asked to combine, and ChatGPT has given me certain code. I have added the location through this particular node explore stored files. So all those files that are stored in my local storage, it is showing me, giving me the directory. I have used those locations in this FFmpeg command to create a video, and then I have created the video, and you know this is this is the output. All right. Yeah, so this was the very small, test workflow that I wanted to show you guys that how powerful NA10 is and what we can do in NA10. The in my next video, I am going to show you how you can actually edit videos, because that is the most crucial part of you know editing or creating a brand creative, because we are not only going to have AI generated images or a text or these kind of slides, but we want our own videos to be edited in such a way that all the important contents are segregated, important cuts are being made through AI, and all the silences are removed through AI, all the that I usually use a lot can be edited through AI. So there are a lot of things that we can do in just media and branding content or video editing through NA10. There are n number of opportunities here to automate in marketing, and that's it, guys. Do If you think that this particular workflow has given you any kind of knowledge or any insight to, enhance your business workflow or marketing automations, do give a like, share, subscribe, and please leave a comment and how you like this particular workflow. And if you have any query, any issue, uh, reach out to me through on my LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, anywhere. I have all the links in my description. Reach out to me, guys, and the workflow is on the GitHub. You can take the workflow, use it by yourself, and give me a feedback. Thank you very much, guys. I'll see you in the next video where we'll tackle another thing, another business challenge that we want to automate. Till then, goodbye. Namaskar.